Hello guys, this is Cherry and welcome to my channel. So today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try something different. And as you people know, this is my old Steelbird helmet SB-42. Actually, I'm gonna do a brake test. Not only the brake test, actually I'm gonna throw the helmet from my home to down. It's not too much height, it was a little bit low, but then also I want to check whether it will survive or not. I'm gonna throw over there first. Let's do this. Before getting into this, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. So let's do this. Check. It was good. The helmet is in good condition. Nothing happened. Just little bit scratches was there. So the helmet have passed the throw test. Now I'm gonna do the brake test. Now I'm gonna try to break the helmet with the hammer. Let's see. First I'm gonna try with this small one. You can see it was good, not bad. I want to try with this big one now. So I have tried to hit very strongly, but then also the helmet is good inside. Only this part has been broken. You people can see inside the helmet was good. So it's a safe helmet, really. I hit it very strongly, but then also nice. This is SB-42 Steelbird. So the link will be in the description of this helmet. So check it out, and if you want, you can order through that. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna end this vlog over here. As usual, just eat, sleep, and try to repeat that again, guys. And see my other videos also. And please do subscribe to my channel, Cherry Vlogs. Thank you so much. Bye bye.